You can create a custom cropped image instead of just square or circular by creating a mask using the pen tool. To do that, I'm going to show you how to utilize the pen tool to crop the image so that the girls fit within this butterfly frame. First, I'm going to click on the image itself and drop the opacity down a bit by clicking 5 on my keyboard just so I have better visibility while using the pen tool. Then I'm going to click the pen tool, or P, on my keyboard and start drawing around the frame. When you first click, you get a square node, which gives you sharp angles when clicking the next node. I'm going to click up to the top while holding Shift on my keyboard to get a straight line. To get the curve drawn in, I'm going to click, hold, and drag, which will allow me to manipulate the curve. This corner has a white background, so I don't need to go around the butterfly in detail. So I'm just clicking down to the lower right and again pressing and holding to drag that curve into place to match the frame. Finally, I'll click down to the butterfly in the corner. When it comes to this corner, I don't want the image to show through the butterfly wings, so I'm going to click around and click and drag some curves in so I stay within the butterfly outline. When using the circle node, if I click again, I will get this kind of weird curve here. So while this node is selected, I'm going to click it once, which will change the second half of it back to a square node, and that'll allow me to go over to the other wing and then drag in another curve there, which then allows me to go over to the other butterfly, up, and connect to the original node, closing the curve. To use this drawn curve as a mask, I'm going to change this to be a white fill and transparent stroke. Now I'm ready to mask the image. In the Layer menu, I'm going to return the image to opacity 0 by clicking 0 on my keyboard, and then I will just drag the curve down directly over the image and release it. You now have a cropped image that you can utilize however you want.